Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am with my sister again today and we are doing some decluttering. We're trying to get this office set up. We've got a lot of volume we're going through and it's actually harder to declutter the small things that are in the house than it was to do the big garage clean out. So we're just doing what we can, the two of us. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. It helps the channel out so much. And let's get started.
Samson chooses when he wants to listen.
Oh yeah, he has very selective hearing.
There's no consequences.
We're back, you guys, and we are in an empty room that we've been working on the last couple of weeks. Thanks to James for actually...
Oh yes, he did the floor.
He did the floor.
It used to just be a concrete floor.
Yeah, so he did peel and stick tile on the floor. Came out really nice. And then he also painted the walls and filled the holes, did the spackle, all that stuff. I guess our goal today is we're gonna work our way through the different zones in the home where things have been displaced and turn this room finally into your office, gym,
workout room,
and pantry.
I wouldn't go as far as gym.
Okay, not a full gym, but
workout room, like occasional walking video.
Yeah, occasional.
Weights.
So you have your what, elliptical?
The elliptical, yes.
So the elliptical machine that's in the living room will be coming in here.
Yes, my work desk will come in here.
Will be coming in here.
Stand for the TV, because I'll have our extra TV, that our old TV. It used to be in our den.
Okay, you have your chair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have the chair.
Originally in the living room video that you guys saw, the very first video, she decluttered that rose chair.
I regret doing
And then
that.
she decided to keep it.
One of my decluttering regrets.
She had changed her mind. She wanted to keep it, but didn't tell
the family members.
Yes, so it accidentally got...
They knew.
It accidentally got donated. It's what, 12 o'clock? 12:30 maybe?
Yeah, about 12:30.
Okay, so we're going to see what we can get done before nightfall. Let's see what we can get done in the next few hours. Oh yeah, go ahead and start bringing stuff. Yeah, and I'm going to open this all the way.
Federales ni agentes, soy de la frontera donde todo es diferente, la rueda del baile donde pierdes tú la mente.
When you're hungry for lunch, let me know.
You get hungry?
No, I'm just when you're hungry for lunch, let me know.
Oh, okay. If you've ever thought of trying Factor, you are going to want to hear today's offer. Thank you, Factor, for sponsoring today's video. I am on a solid workout plan, but it is something I have to carve out time for. Factor saves me time and time again. I can go from feeling fine to hangry very quickly. And in the past, I would have hit up a drive-thru, but now, thanks to Factor, I can reach into my fridge, grab a delicious meal, pop it in the microwave, 2 minutes later, lunch or dinner is served. Think of all the time you could save not having to meal plan, prep, chop, cook, shop, and clean up. They offer a variety of menu plans, keto, calorie smart, vegan and veggie, and more. Factor meals are always fresh, never frozen, and delivered straight to your doorstep, which is so convenient. This here is my secret weapon over the winter months. If I start to feel even the slightest bit run down, I grab my apple, ginger, lemon, and cayenne wellness shot. This is my favorite flavor, and I start to feel better. They're offering free wellness shots for life. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code TheCarlaProject50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and free wellness shots for life. 2 free wellness shots from 3 available flavors for every order while you're an active subscriber. head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code the Carla Project 50 for 50% off your first Factor box and free wellness shots for life. Thanks, Factor, and back to today's video. We did have kind of a late start on this day. It was about 12:30 once we got going, and just clearing the desk and the clutter around the desk and figuring out how to move it from the bedroom into this new office room. That alone took us about an hour. Right now, I'm just giving the desk a good cleaning, and then we're using some wood polish. This is a vintage desk that she thrifted a long time ago. And now it's time to get her work from home setup going because she does have work the next day. So that was priority number one, was getting all the monitors and the cords and the cables and the whole thing set up and functional. This is something that came from what used to be the den. It was their TV media console, and some kind of drink exploded on it. So we're gonna clean this off and see what we can use it as for storage.
This is their
She's gonna clear this out because this is all their stuff. And then we'll hopefully be able to put the TV on top and her printer as well.
An old one. Here's Stephen King on writing.
Oh.
That's probably like early 2000s.
So we are back in the bedroom. We are moving around the house because we're finding out how to best set up the office and declutter the bedroom and any displaced items. So a lot of this stuff here was on the desk, under the desk, around the desk.
And some of this was in the upper shelf in the office.
What do you think you'll do now that you have your desk cleared from this zone?
Just put a clothes hamper, that's it. A comfy, cozy chair.
No, you would not be able to fit a chair here.
There used to be one. It won't be a big chair, but
Don't get any ideas.
no, I like it. I like it like
No,
this.
because you don't want to block the bathroom. No, I think it's good to have that space.
Yes, this is nice.
Yeah, it is good to have this space. I mean, eventually there'll be even more.
I like how the curtains, I can easily open the curtains.
You can actually get to them now instead of having to lean over the desk or whatever.
Yes.
Okay, so now you have like a little bit more.
No, I like it clear like this, and I'm joking about the chair because the chair just attracts clutter.
Let us know. I know everyone's gonna say no, don't do anything.
I agree.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? This one actually, this whole bag, we should just carry this bag into the office and let's sort through that. We'll sort through this. I'm gonna come back again on another day because it's late now. It's getting dark. This one we'll sort through.
And we should take this basket as well.
Okay, and that basket, I'm gonna fill this. So these two, I'm gonna bring these into the office.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, you grab this and I'll grab the big heavy bag.
Okay.
You grab this one.
Why do you get to have the big heavy bag?
For this stuff on the bed, the options are you want to stay in the bedroom, you want to move to the office, or move to the garage. We basically want to clear the bed so she has a space to sleep tonight. Now, what about all of these? Do you really want to keep these?
I'll decide later.
Do you have an area for these usually?
Office.
Okay, so we'll do it in an office. So we can sort of bin for
Me
that.
out of those tomorrow.
Okay. Mug.
That's sentimental.
Oh, there's a spider in there. See him crawling around? Here's your toothpaste.
Thank you. Yeah, I think Chrissy gave it to me for Mother's Day. Yes.
Okay, office.
It's sentimental, and I use it.
Okay. Picture of Julia. Office.
No, that'll
Bedroom?
get stored with my photos. I have a thing for photos.
Okay. Eucalyptus oil, candle. Do you want any of this in the office?
Not in the office, no.
Okay, so this is all
stay in
bedroom.
the bedroom, yes.
Okay. Magnifying glass for
Oh, yes, yes.
office or
No. Well,
that stays here?
it'll go in the office. It's just,
Should I put it in here then?
yes.
Okay.
Either, no trash.
Oh, you want to donate it then?
Okay. Those are Corelle dishes. That will be a present to somebody.
Okay.
You like Corelle, right?
Don't bother. You'll see it on a future episode. Kitchen, or you want to put it in the garage? Store it?
Store it in the
What do you
garage.
think?
This is for the garage, a sprinkler system.
Where, this?
Yes. We could donate it. That was his toy.
Xander's toy, donate.
He wasn't interested. I think that's his milk. I'll put that in the office. This is his milk.
Okay, see, like these are the things that we're supposed to drop off. We'll do these as drop-offs tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
If you insist.
Previous declutter episode.
I didn't have a chance to go through one more pass of those.
One's been untied, caught, red-handed. I know how it is. When I've had no laundry and I've ended up going through, rummaging through.
Yeah.
No clean clothes, I mean, and I go rummaging through what I'm getting rid of.
Yes, exactly.
Eventually they do end up getting decluttered, but let's use this in the office though, because
this was in the office.
Okay.
Oh no, keep that. Yeah, that goes to a portable vacuum office.
Office?
Yes, for cleaning the keyboards and stuff.
Oh, okay.
And I do use that.
These headphones?
Oh, office. Those are my good headphones.
This plug?
Office. No, that
for in here?
stays,
Okay.
Yes.
Clothing, you keeping these?
Yes.
Okay, these are keep clean clothes, right? Every bedroom needs a food dehydrator. Where would you like this to live?
I'm going to
garage?
For now.
Okay, so I'm gonna say garage pile.
Okay. Well, these two are garage piles.
Yeah, this is all garage here. It just doesn't fit in that box anymore. This is bags of bags that I want to use while we start to declutter the other room.
And then
these extra clothes, where do you want to put those? Laundry? Okay, your laundry bag. Okay, so I think we pretty much, let's just carry these out, and then you'll have your bed clear at least.
And I can go through these bags tonight when you're not here.
Which bags?
I'm just kidding.
The clothes bags?
I'm totally kidding.
She's not kidding.
Okay.
Yes, we are moving a lot of items to the garage. Not that much actually got decluttered today, but my logic is it's like weaning her off of her stuff. If it gets out of the house and into the garage, eventually it will get out of the garage and off to the donation center. Because once it's in the garage, it's forgotten about. And that's at least one step closer to her fully letting go of these items that she's not using. It's our little secret. Don't tell her. That's my plan. It's already dark out. It's a lot of work to get this set up. We've got some of the bigger pieces moved in. Well, we've got her office desk set up at least, so that's good. And then we've got this piece of furniture in here that we're gonna use for organizing. We got that in here and cleaned off. Oh, okay. I thought you just said you wanted to get rid of it.
Yeah, but keep one of these TVs. I'm not sure. Just this one I want to get rid of, but I think.
This is what I mean. You're like, I just want to get rid of it. I want to get rid of stuff.
I don't know. They don't take this. For some certain things.
Doesn't mean you have to keep it, but.
No, but I wanted to make sure that when you plug it in, like your account isn't on it, right? Do you have to clear it or?
Oh, I see. Is there a plug? Okay, let's see if we can get the printer up there.
No, we're not going to fit the printer on here.
Thing there is supposed to go.
Yes.
There's just too much furniture in here.
Where would it go?
Something's
Do
got to
you
go.
think that would be better than the black thing that's in there?
Wait, what was I doing? I was doing something. I'm getting too distracted.
No, because you need to be able to operate it too.
Why is that printer so big and bulky?
So we've had it for years and years. It's probably like more than 10 years old. This is my gourmet cheese.
The famous gourmet cheese.
Oh
dear God, it is heavy.
Yes, I have to lift it off of that.
That thing is wobbly though.
This is. So they use this printer a lot.
Okay.
You get tired of hearing the stories, Carla? Well, because this.
Oh yes, absolutely. And your point is?
I sense it in the air. You would think that would get me to stop, right?
I didn't know you were aware.
Oh, I'm aware.
It sure doesn't impact the storytelling.
That's why it's not more than it is.
Oh, wow. I should be grateful then.
Maybe I'm not really convincing you, I'm convincing me.
Yes, I think that's what's really happening.
Yes. I'm getting tired.
See, that
of there.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, okay, so
because
tomorrow.
it's stuff that's been forgotten. It's been in here forever. I think we can go through a lot of DVDs and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that'll be good. At least I feel like this is a good room to work in because it's not cluttered.
Yes.
So it's a good place where we can do sorting and decluttering and anything that we want. Like if we find DVDs in there,
Yes.
we can create a box and
Donate
them. Yeah, and take them and drop them off. We're done for today.
We did a good amount, and tomorrow I will open the door.
We'll see about that. We'll see if she does. You said earlier, just a little bit ago, she said she feels the difference already.
Oh no, yes, you could definitely feel the difference. That open space. And once we get all this stuff put away, it'll
Oh
feel
yeah,
really-
no, this room is
it'll
like
be
a
nice
9-day
room
difference.
to work in.
Yeah, it will be.
So.